Okay, so today we'll be going over the Django form edit in class, which actually was turned into classwork. You are instructed to do exercise 2 only for classwork. Add a new account model to your scheme and give it the fields username, real name, account number, and balance. Username should be a username that the user uses to log in. The real name should be the user's real name. Account number should be the user's account number, and balance is the user's balance. Show all entry names and an edit link for each entry in a blank form to add additional entries on the index page. So if we click here, we can see that's what we have right here. Bam. Let's edit this, submit it. Let's add a new one. User account 20. Bam. So head back to our code real quick. You can see here in our models, you have the username as a character field with a max length of 200, the same for the real name. Account number is an integer field, balance is an integer field. And we're currently defining a string to return. In our forms, we are building a model form, importing model form, and from .models we're importing account. As you can see, we're importing models in here to make this models.model. We're feeding in the metadata with the model equal to account with all fields displaying, where we're using the quotation marks __ all __ for fields, so it'll display all fields. In our URLs, we only have two: base, empty one, and our edit. In our views, you can see here we are currently importing render, redirect, and then from .forms we're importing account and account forms. We are importing account from .forms because in .forms it's already importing account from .models. That way we only have to do one import rather than having to do two different ones. Now we're in our index. If the request method is a post, it'll save the account with the request.post, filling it out, and then it'll save it. Also grabbing the context of the account form and the accounts to render, sending it to our index, which then renders through all of it. For account, makes each one a link using the username to take the content space. So you're having our token here with our account forms as _p to make it look a bit better. And then for our edits, you can see here we have an instance where it firstly takes in an integer, which is the ID of our instance to edit, where as you can see here, it's feeding in the account.id from account in accounts, where in here we can see the instance to edit will be account.objects where it'll get a single one, where it will then compare the ID against primary keys. Then we'll fill out the form to edit using the account form, and the instance being the instance for edit, this here. Now if the method is post, it'll fill out the form with request.post, where the instance is still an instance to edit, save it, and then return us to the index. Otherwise it will, as we can see here, just simply grab the form to edit and send it up, which we are getting here. And as you can see here, welcome to the edit page. Action, it will return it to itself. The method being post, account.form as _p. Just plain and simple. If you want to check out this code for yourself, just go look in the GitHub for the classroom and search for Django-formedit-ic-tdude0175. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask.